Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're playing a game where basically a Duolingo bird chases you to death and tries to kill you. And we're going to Spanish Revenge. That's what it is. I found this game, and I thought it was crazy. Yeah, that's what happens. Duolingo bird just tries to kill you and teaches you a lesson. I decided to record this today. I was going to record something else. So they're way more awesome. It was actually gonna be something brand new to the channel, but my internet wants to keep freaking going out because the internet is just having problems the past like 3 days, and it's been whack. We're just gonna be trying to, you know, record this instead, and hopefully we can get past all of it. Oh my god. So I wish you could hide behind that. What's going on right now is kind of trashy. There's Duolingo bird people. Why is there multiple Duolingo birds? This is not okay. Alright, let's, oh, we found something. We found flowers. Alright, we have to find 3 out of this map. Over time, we have to get more and more. It's a bunch of different maps, whatever. So we're gonna be trying to get all of the things. Yeah. And also we're gonna get a bunch of coins because you can get free items in this game apparently. But everything, like in every other type of thing where they give you free stuff, it's not truly free. You have to do $20 worth of work. I can't believe I just got found. That was a terrorism act of something. I don't know. Oh my freaking god! You stupid, dumb fat.
Oh my god!
I do not like you, Duolingo bird. All right. An hour a day, the Duolingo won't stay. Yeah, you go in there, big boy. Alright, let's get on over here. Nothing. We've checked there before. I'm having flashbacks now that we've already checked there. That's fine. I feel like the bird is always like near. I don't like it. I don't like this bird. Oh wait, I think I saw like a map where maybe it might tell us where everything is. Who knows? Who freaking knows? Alright, let's go. Okay, the bird disappeared. That's amazing. Also guys, I just found a spider, like so big. I almost died just from seeing it. And now my foam is underneath the freaking foam thing on my wall. And now the foam is like halfway hanging off the wall. And you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that because I don't have glue. Alright. No idea. Seriously, we forgot. So those are some very nice epic clues. I think that really helps. Okay, here. So we got the flowers. We need that and that. So boom, boom, boom. Whatever that is. I like it. I like how it tells us you are not here. Is that a lie or is that true? I don't really know. I think that's not true because that's the water. So we gotta go. You know, I'm just gonna book it and say, you know what? Let's just go. Oh shit! I hate that stupid bird. That bird is terrorizing me. Oh my god. dumb bird. How the heck did we just do that? We were just swimming on top of rocks. I do not know how we just did that. I'm clueless to that. Oh, wait. Awesome. I found the same place I've already been at. Thought that was different. No. I haven't seen you in a while, but I keep looking. You just saw me. You freaking stupid. You dumb fat bird. We don't like you, Duolingo bird.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Wow! Oh my god!
Find whatever crap that is. Looks like it's somewhere over. Yeah. Somewhere something. In a place. I believe it to be somewhere over here. Is this guy going to it? Nope, it's not in here. I do believe it's somewhere over here though. I mean, it's gotta be, right? Right? This is the same place you're just at, my dude. There's nothing here. Well, that's just great, ain't it? Alright, we're over here. Can't ring that dang doorbell yet. No. Okay, we survived that barely, but we did survive. Why am I back here? This is horrid. Absolutely horrid. How many times that we keep getting back to the same points? Makes no sense.
Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you.
Let's go
somewhere. But does and never stutter when he sings. But what you don't know, I'm gonna tell you right now.
I feel like
the scat is the same thing. Yo, I'm the scat man.
Ah, shoot, bruh.
Where's the scat man? I'm the scat.
I know my internet probably just went out. Oh, no, never mind. Somehow it just barely held on. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, the internet's just trash today, so that happens a lot. It's not very fun. It's very horrible. I mean, if our internet went out, my internet went out right about now, whatever, I'd probably lose everything that I found. So I would not be very happy. I'd probably come to Duolingo Bird's house and start choking him to death. Yeah. Where's Dew? Where's Dew at? Oh my god. Stupid bird. He just keeps popping out of nowhere. Let me in. You still can't go? Alright. I need to go to my date though. I'm having a date with Duolingo Bird. Alright. Well, I don't know how the heck I just changed that and flipped it around. But yeah, we're on a date with Duolingo Bird. And he's just doing that to me, messing with me. Okay. Your Spanish lessons won't take themselves, okay? How about you take the lessons for me then, alright? Because maybe you need a refresh on your Spanish. Stupid idiot. Yeah. I still don't know where this freaking light bulb looking thing is. Or a key, whatever. I don't know. Kind of looks like a key, but it kind of looks like a light bulb. We'll find out. Hopefully one of the things I said, a key or a light bulb, is probably it. Unless it just turned out to be some, like, stick person's head, but I doubt it'd be something like that. I'm not ending this video until I've passed the first freaking level. It's taking too long. But it's fine. We've only been in here for that long. I mean, the video's just like a little bit longer than that, I think. Maybe like 10 seconds, 20. Yeah, this is, you know, maybe I should really just look at the thing, alright? So what we're trying to find is that, alright? And so the roses are over here, it says. But I don't remember them being over there. Wait, maybe. Wait, this is the exit, ain't it? Oh, so yeah, it is to the left, but it's okay. Wait, I think I know. I think I know. Wait, no. This seems to be like where we're at. That's what it looks like. Alright, so back, forwards from that, and then to the right. Is that how it is? Yes, that's to the right. And then you go one. Okay. So I know it's over here. Oh, I'm right. Okay. Oh, it's a freaking candle. Okay, well we got it. Alright, let's go to our date. Alright. Wait, we're eating meatballs with them. Alright. Don't worry, Duolingo, we're here, we're coming. Oh my god. Yeah, studying Spanish is amazing. It's so awesome. Okay. I hate this stupid bird. Let me go. Alright, gotta run. Oh no. No. Yeah, why don't you go there, you big, fat, stupid bird. Go. Alright, let's see. I haven't seen you in a while, but I'm glad you're here for dinner. How do you say happy in Spanish?
Damn.
Feliz. Alright.
Damn.
Do you know the
boy.
Spanish phrase for being alone?
Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy,
there you go.
That's a thick ass
I have a big
boy.
party with all my friends,
Damn.
but will they come? How do you say they forgot? Okay. This. Alright. Are you leaving already? I really enjoyed our date. I'm sure I'll run into you soon. Keep practicing your Spanish. Alright, well, before I do that, I'm gonna rob you. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, guys, this is our date with Duolingo Bird. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my videos. On that, guys, peace out, and bye.